Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Greetings everybody, guys. As usual, let's take a look at the gold market. Actually, to be honest, it's not a lot of changes since last week, because as you can see in recent week, market mostly was calling in the tight range. So even new pivots for the April stand in the same areas as for March. So it's really not big changes with the even pivot numbers. And that's why on the daily chart we mostly have the same setup that we've got on the previous videos that we have discussed in last week. So this setup is bullish. As you can see, trend is bullish. Our hidden bullish divergence is also valid. The market still calling below the major resistance area. So actually 1255 at the historical support resistance area. So contract the chart. You can see previous lows. So it's breakout. Now it will be the support. No other support stands on the way of the market. So on this way up, all Fib levels have been erased on this most recent swing. That's why actually here and between this target we have no significant barriers except this natural support resistance area. Currently market shows general bullish behavior because, as you can see, this tight range is forming right below the resistance, and usually when market stands very close to some resistance area in tight range, it usually treats as the building an energy for a possible challenge of this resistance. Because when the market fails to break through the resistance, it usually shows deep retracement or even downward continuation of something of that sort. But when the market stands very tight below the resistance, it usually means that market is preparing to test this level for another time. So you can see first testing was here, has led to deep retracement. Second test, very small retracement. It means that the bullish power is growing here. Market really could challenge this level on the next week. As we have talked about it, our next destination will be an area around 1280, 1282. This will be, as you can see, 127 extension of the butterfly. So also could get here. So will be around monthly pivot resistance one. Also we have this large A, B, C top pattern, and 618 minor extension also stands around 1282, 1285 area. So that will be our next destination point on the daily chart. So currently, guys, the major concern is where a particular market will turn to the upside and how this will happen. This question actually has appeared because, take a look on the hourly chart, on the forward time frame chart. On the here we've got the bearish grabber. As you can see, market has formed bearish grabber that suggests the taking out of these lows. Although, to be honest, I'm not really sure that this pattern will work, but still it brings some risk factor to overall situation, and it at least creates the scenario where market, before real upward continuation, it could show another leg down taking out of these lows. This also is possible. That's why we should keep in mind this possible scenario, and that's why we need to take into consideration this possible development in our trading plan for the coming week. On the hourly chart, guys, this in fact will be our major time frame to watch for in the coming week. So here you see the completion of our setup on the last week. That was our target. You can see we said that market should reach the 1240 area based on action that we saw here. This drop, first drop, we said this probably market will show another leg down right to the confluence support that we have in the 4-hour time frame chart. This is confluence support, as you can see. It's 1240 area, 1237, 1240, and probably it will complete the ABCD that has happened, and also the last part of this ABCD pattern can take the shape of the butterfly. Both of these conditions have been completed right now. Confluence support. Actually, guys, this level was really strong, and we said this probably market would start upward action right from that area, and that has happened on Friday. So here, guys, actually is very good explanation why we, every time when we discuss the taking position, every time we try to get such kind of levels on our back. We try to get as strong levels of confidence supports or resistances, some ABCDs, targets, reversal patterns. When we've got it, we after that turn to discussion of the trading the position. Why? Because take a look, this upper direction, we do not know what really is it. Is this real upward continuation, or that was just a technical respect on the support? We do not know that exactly. Because based on the grabber that we have here on the forward time frame chart, what would happen, for example, the market will turn down again and will fall to 1230 area. This will not hurt the daily setup, this bullish setup, but it will just make retracement a bit longer. That's why, guys, when you have this strong levels on your back, this led you to protect your position. Those of you who have taken longs, as we have suggested here, now could move your stops to the break even and just watch the movie, what will happen. So that the strength of this level provides you take the position with a very small risk, actually, and lets you to protect your position, because if this is just technical bounce, you could protect your position with a break-even stop, just what will happen after that. If market somehow, by some reason, will turn back down, this will not hurt you. And that is thanks to existence of the strong support. That is not just confidence, but also agreement with this ABCD pattern and reversal pattern, bullish reversal pattern on your back. That's advantage for us. Now, those of you who do not have the position here, what you could watch for. Since we have the risk factor, as we said on the forward time frame chart with the grabber, we need to see the failure of this grabber. And that probably could happen if market will show the upside reversal swing. So I think that we need to get upward continuation. This market should take it out of this 1255 top. If this will happen at the beginning of the week, by this action, market will form the bullish reversal swing. So this upward swing will be greater than the previous swing down. This will be the bullish sign. That will be the confirmation that we do not have any other downward continuation. That's what we need to watch for. If by some reason market will return right back down here, then be ready for a deeper retracement. So maybe 1230 will be next destination as the 1618 extension of this APC time pattern. That's our trading plan for starting of the week. So that being said, 2 moments to watch for. First is those of you who have position already, you could move your stop to the break even and watch what will happen. Others should watch for either upward action above the 1255. As soon as this will happen, after that, on some retracement, you could try and take the long position when the market will form the bullish reversal swing. Or if this will not happen, the market will turn right back down to the 1240 lows. In this case, just watch what will happen, because deep retracement is possible.